Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem Shein gift cards and use Shein gift cards to purchase items online. First, go to Shein.com and log in to your account. Then find the items that you like and add them to bag. After you are done adding items to cart, finally view bag and then hit checkout button. On the right-hand side, you can see a blank field for adding your gift card number. Enter the 16-digit gift card number that you can see at the back side of the gift card. Then after that, enter the 4-digit PIN that you can find under the scratch-off layer. Make sure you enter the numbers correctly. Finally, click Apply button and the amount will be deducted from your Shein gift card. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.